My name is Chef Rahim. I am 11 years old. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite things to eat, chicken wings. Today I'm going to show you a 5-ingredient recipe that's super easy. First thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 375 degrees. The 5 ingredients are salt, pepper, garlic powder, my favorite barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce, and chili garlic sauce. First I'm going to put 1/4 cup of garlic powder and 2 tablespoons of salt. And then you have to put some black pepper. Now you gotta mix it. Did you know that before chicken wings were the cheapest part of the chicken, and now they've become so popular that they're the most expensive? Now you have to put your chicken wings inside a baking tray. Remember to have space in between the wings. Now they go in the oven for 20 minutes. I like to use the oven timer. The biggest challenge about this recipe is keeping yourself busy while it's baking. Now that my 20 minutes are up, now we have to flip over the wings and put them in for another 15 minutes. Now my wings are flipped, so they're going to go back in the oven for 15 minutes. I have about 5 minutes left on my wings, so now I'm going to make my sauce. My sauce has 1/3 cup of chili garlic sauce and 2 cups of Sweet Baby Ray's. Be sure to mix your 2 sauces together. My wings are out of the oven, so they're going straight into the frying pan. They're only flash frying them, so you have to flip them after 2 minutes. From the frying pan, I'm going to put them straight into the sauce mixture. When your wings are fried, you want to coat them in the sauce you made. Now that my wings are coated, I have to plate them. I like putting my winglets in the center and my drumsticks on the side. I'm Chef Rahim, and I am 11 years old. This is how you make 5-ingredient wings. Time to eat. I'm hungry.